Are you looking for the best 4K drone for professional? In this video we will look at some of the best 4K drone for professional on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Xiaomi MIJIA G6 Drone. The Xiaomi MIJIA G6 drone is an advanced aerial photography quadcopter designed for professional use, boasting cutting-edge features that elevate the drone flying and imaging experience. With its 8K resolution and 5G connectivity, the MIJIA G6 ensures high-quality and real-time HD aerial photography. The drone is equipped with GPS technology, allowing precise navigation and providing users with accurate positioning data. One of the standout features of the MIJIA G6 is its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system, enhancing safety and maneuverability during flight. This technology enables the drone to detect and navigate around obstacles from all directions, reducing the risk of collisions and ensuring a smooth and worry-free flying experience. Number 2. M8 Professional Drone. The M8 Professional Drone is a cutting-edge aerial photography device designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike. Equipped with a high-definition 4K camera, this drone allows users to capture stunning aerial images and videos with exceptional clarity and detail. The remote control functionality enhances the user experience, providing precise control over the drone's movements. One notable feature of the M8 Professional drone is its optical flow positioning system. This technology enables the drone to maintain a stable and steady position during flight, even in the presence of external factors like wind. This ensures that users can capture smooth and professional quality footage, making it suitable for various applications such as filmmaking, photography, or simply exploring the world from a unique perspective. Number 3. New V168 Drone 3-Camera 8K. The new V168 drone is a professional-grade quadcopter designed for advanced aerial photography and videography, boasting cutting-edge features that elevate the user experience. One of its standout features is the incorporation of 3 cameras, each capable of capturing stunning 8K resolution footage. This advanced camera setup includes a wide-angle lens, allowing users to capture expansive and detailed shots, making it an ideal choice for both recreational and professional aerial photography enthusiasts. Equipped with optical GPS localization technology, the drone ensures precise and accurate positioning during flight, enhancing overall stability and facilitating smooth navigation. The inclusion of 4-way obstacle avoidance further enhances the safety of the drone, preventing potential collisions and ensuring a secure flying experience. These safety features make the new V168 drone suitable for users of varying skill levels, from beginners to experienced drone pilots. Number 4. Lenovo Lu 208K Professinal with 4K. As of my last knowledge update in January 2022, I don't have specific information about the Lenovo Lu 208K Professional with 4K drone mentioned in your request. However, I can provide a general approach to writing an overview based on the information you've given. The Lenovo Lu 208K Professional with 4K is a cutting-edge drone designed for professional use, featuring advanced imaging capabilities and a sophisticated design. This drone stands out with its 8K camera resolution, providing high-quality aerial footage, and complemented by a 4K 3-camera optical system. The integration of 3 cameras allows for versatile and dynamic shooting scenarios, enhancing the user's creative possibilities. Number 5. MINISO Z908 Pro Max Drone. The MINISO Z908 Pro Max drone is a cutting-edge aerial photography device designed for professional use. Equipped with advanced features, this drone is specifically tailored for high-quality imaging and videography, making it an ideal choice for enthusiasts and professionals alike. One notable feature of the MINISO Z908 Pro Max drone is its 4K professional brushless 8K HD camera, which ensures stunning clarity and detail in aerial photographs and videos. This high-resolution camera allows users to capture breathtaking scenes from the sky with precision and vividness.